Hello, future doctors. Today we're diving into something every medical student struggles with at some point, staying focused and concentrated. If you've ever zoned out during lectures or found it hard to prep for exams, you're not alone. But don't worry, we've got 6 research-backed tips to help you boost your focus and concentration. Let's dive right in. Tip number 1, brain-boosting activities. Games like crossword puzzles, chess, or memory games can work wonders. They help improve your short-term memory and problem-solving skills. So why not have a little fun while sharpening your mind? Tip number 2, get adequate sleep. Lack of sleep can seriously mess with your concentration and cognitive functions. Medical school is tough, but try to get those 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Trust me, your brain will thank you. Tip number 3, exercise regularly. Daily physical activities can increase your attention and concentration. Plus, it's a great way to de-stress. Win-win. Also, tip number 4, the implementation attention technique. Feeling unmotivated? Set a timer for 1 or 2 minutes and tell yourself you'll start the task when the timer goes off. It's a weird trick, but it works. Tip number 5, create a detailed study plan. Break down your tasks into small, achievable components. It makes memorizing concepts easier and helps you track your progress. Tip number 6, take regular breaks. If you're feeling unfocused, take a short break. Do something you enjoy, like eating a snack, watching a video, or taking a walk. When you come back, you'll feel refreshed and ready to go. And remember, improving your focus and concentration takes time and practice. Don't lose hope if you struggle at first. Keep at it, and you'll see the results. That's all for today, future doctors. Stay focused, stay dedicated, and keep pursuing your dreams. Until next time.